Well, it's disgusting. I'm not gonna lie. This is just a tweezer, I think you call it. Tweezer, stuff like that. This is something like just the size of it. Just the size of it's crazy. Like, like look at it. It's crazy. But like, dude, like. Like imagine something, I don't know if you can do it with one hand, but oh yeah, there you go. Just, yeah. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, this is a crazy bike. It's unreal. 3-inch custom duct. So back to the cleaning, because I guess, you know, the last 2 minutes I was just talking about some crazy stuff that's coming, but you know, right now, cleaning day. My brothers told me about this too, and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna try it. So I went on eBay, and 25 bucks later, boom. So I don't know what the difference between the 100 ones. I guess we're gonna find out. Got that, and I got my vacuum. So the idea is to make this in here ready to go, because we already did the seat belt. We got that sent to the repair shop, and we're expecting it to come in about a couple of days, 2-3 days, something like that. I would like to get everything clean as much as I can, so I can put this seat back. And these seats are heavy. I don't know what they have inside of them, but they're heavy. It's unreal. Yeah. Guess let's start cleaning. Okay guys, came with this little guy, so I'm gonna try to use it and see what to do. Inside I have water, and then I just, you know, carpet cleaning. I don't know if you guys have, I have this in my hand, so I just spray it in it, you know, and yeah, I don't know, see what happens. The crazy thing with these keys are they're super cheap, but it comes without this little emblem. It's crazy. Yeah, I don't know, can't explain it. But you know, this little emblem is like $5-6 bucks, sometimes 8, sometimes even more. I guess it depends on how crazy you are, you know, to but I have, you know, thanks to sticker, I guess. $6, $12, I believe, for the key, something like that. Yeah. BMW, 375, I believe, and they need the car for 2 days. Yes, I don't know. We got this kind of cleaned up. It's crazy how this thing, when it spins, actually gets more white stuff out, you know. So I need to re-vacuum everything. But it means it leaves, that means, you know, it gets up. So that means it works. Let's get this dirty door right there. And I know you guys can see there's some dirt. Yeah. Let's see if we can clean it.
You're reflecting, I'm deflecting, burning tires to move on. Too many noises, clash the choices, future came and left like ghosts. No more messing, no caressing, heavy panning on the walls. How I did it to myself, craving a hip, practice land, sleeping on my bed is golden side.
Let me show you the finished product. Right here, you guys can see. Oh yeah, it is nice and clean. Like, look at it. Comparing to, yep. Oh, probably need to get this guy one more time, but yeah, it's really crazy, you know, when you see the difference, how dirty it is. I don't know where, like how, like this car crashed and where and what happened and why there is so much weed in it. Someone worked in a barn, and I still have to get the grass underneath the car as well, cause yeah. Like, yeah, I don't know who, what, where, but yeah, there's a lot of grass. So there you guys have it. Have to see in it to win it. So check it out, guys. Need to do this guy here, but as soon as when I get the seat belt and the rest of it, I'll put it all together, and then we'll go right there. Yeah. And if you guys are wondering, you know, about these two white racks there in the kitchen towels, put some oil. I don't know if I've ever seen someone putting some oil, you know, on the gear for your seats. So yeah, when you put some oil, you know, then they don't, you know, make any sound. You know, they don't squeak. So another project, another success. And don't forget again about this bad boy over here. We're gonna have another one on this side as well, and another one on that side. So it's gonna be 3 of these bad boys. So just imagine something like that. It is crazy. Look at it, how big it is. I can put my hand in it. Yeah, this is. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty interesting. And you guys can see the OEM right there. It seems like a 2.5 goes down to like 1. Seems like it, something like that, and then goes back up to like 3. So yeah, this way I'm gonna keep it 3 all together. So look at this. So I'm gonna start this one. Coupling, 3-inch coupling. So yeah, once again, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see this video, because it's gonna be a pretty interesting video. I still don't know how I'm gonna get those 3-inch pipe to the front. It's gonna be challenging, but I think I can do it. We'll see. We'll see. I hope so. Cross my fingers. You guys better cross your guys' fingers. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to smash the like button. And the most important thing is, I can do it. You guys can do it. So see you on the next one. Ciao.